Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one student into your SamCart course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to manually add someone into your course in SamCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to actually meet people in person, and you want to be sure to add them into your course. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one person or one student into your course, here on the left side, you're going to click on apps. Once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options, and you want to click here on course platforms. Once you do that, go ahead and choose the SamCart app courses. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the courses that you have in SamCart. However, to manually add one person into a course, click on this button here at the top called students. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the students that you have in your courses. However, to manually add one student, click on add student here on the top right in blue. Okay, here's where you can go ahead and manually add one student. So you're going to go ahead and enter in their email address, first name, last name. You can choose to create a password. If not, then it's going to auto-generate a password for that user. So let me go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, so once you've entered in the required information, go ahead and click on create. Okay, once you do that, you're brought here to their manage student screen. So you can go ahead and continue to enroll them into one or multiple courses that you have. So what you're going to do is click on enroll/unenroll. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on there and then choose the courses that you want to enroll them in. So I'll choose this one. Once you do that, go ahead and click on next step. Okay, so if you have different tiers of your courses, you can choose which tiers they're going to get access to. For me, I just have a basic tier on this course. So I'm going to click on there and then click on add. So that's going to assign it to them. If you want them to receive an email notification, you can go ahead and check this box. I'm not going to do that. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the blue enroll button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see under this student here, they're now enrolled in my international food cooking course, and I'll be able to come in here and check their progress. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add one student into one of your courses manually, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.